The sky is leaking silver rain. The clocks all humming time with pain. A child laughs under a dying tree, and the world forgets to breathe with me. The sun's and brooms behind the haze. The streets remember better days. The shadows crawl and start to sing in voices